Alright, we are back once again in the lovely world of Subnautica to... It's been one day since I played, so I should remember where we're going, but we're going to discover somebody. Oh yes, the girl, the AI apologist. That's right. We're going to discover what she did that made the AI eject water into her pod.
All systems online.
Hello, 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 my name is Branch Runner 1, you can call me Branch, and let's just get right into it. I believe we have no food. Oh, we do have food, and we have water. We have everything we need for a lovely time. Let's go to Quaker's Black Box. I think I might have hit the microphone there. Let me check. All good. No microphones have been hit today, at least not in this recording. I think this recording might be a little bit shorter than usual because it's getting pretty late into the day and I have things to do. But nonetheless, I wanted to play some of this wonderful game before I forgot where I was again. Although, oh, I don't like going there. If I do forget where I am, I just relearn it all over again. And that's its own kind of exciting thing to do. Are there any... Oh, I am almost out of a battery for this scanner. I wish I had known that. Alright, I already got that. I think I already got most of these. Oh, not this, but I already have a beacon. Sea Waker! Oh, the last one! Or a Wake Maker. Not a Sea Maker. That would be truly incredible. You know what? I'm gonna scan these guys, because these guys are very interesting. They're like two... How to say? Two like guys together. They're like split apart. Let me just not aggro it. Scan 4i. Well, that is very apt. Alright, now please don't be angry at me. I don't mean you any harm. I just want to learn. Oh, he seems to not be caring about me too much, so that's good. Alright, before we go... Ooh, I'm gonna go there. Before we go to any dangerous depths, let's read what we just discovered. 4i. Moracotiform duplex, a predatory fish. Ow, my ears. 1 second. I forgot how absolutely loud this game is. I gotta turn down my volume to like 15%. There we go. A predatory fish, always born in pairs of identical twins. The twins pair belly to belly, joining their digestive and nervous systems to behave as a single organism. The individual 2i is convergent with earthfish. Large, mobile pectoral fins are suited to quick maneuvers, not cruising. Squashed eyes offer better vision upward. Individuals feed on smaller forage? That doesn't seem right. Oh, small forage fish and hard-shelled crustaceans. Ouch! What the freak? What is your problem? Alright. Go. Get. Come on. Let me read in peace.
Limestone is formed by the death of coral.
Indeed.
Each plateau in this region once housed tens of billions of living things.
Well, that is unfortunate that they are no longer living or there. Oh no, it's more lime. Not lime, but you know, the gunk. Alright, I think I'm sufficiently far away from the sharks. Where was I? Okay. I was reading about their eyes, yes. Individuals feed on small forage fish and hard-shelled crustaceans. Two individuals pair into a complete 4i through a pair of modified ventral fins, which have evolved into sensitive structures similar to sole shark suckers. Repeating this phase can help train vocal dexterity. I don't think I will. The embryonic yolk stalk grows through the forward sucker, allowing the joined pair to share nutrients. Nerve clusters in the suckers trigger each other through the skin, passing sensory data and motor commands. Separated individuals are prone to brief seizures, suggesting the nervous system is sensitive to external influence. Well, yes, if you do expose the nerves, you would probably get seizures. 4i's can unpair and repair at any time. When sexually mature, twins paired since infancy split up to seek out mating partners, forming new 4i's. That is interesting. Mated pairs may be cross-sex, with the male fertilizing the female, or same-sex, with both individuals cooperating to locate a mate or mates. Oh, I see. The duplex 4i is aggressive and willing to attack even larger species. It is unclear if this is a territory guarding strategy, a relic of some ancient group behavior, or even a form of youthful play. Solitary 2-eyes may be ill or in mourning. Avoid. Yeah, I will not disturb the wounded. Minor danger. Be alert for unpredictable attacks. Well, unpredictable is correct. That is beautiful. Wow. Whoa, I like this area. Hold on. Hold on. I may want to relocate my base over here. This is a very nice...
You have entered a viral bloom.
Oh.
All other microbial life in the seawater is dead. The ocean is blighted. Gather scans and return with appropriate treatment equipment.
I see. Well, that will explain why there's no coral. So it looks beautiful, and it's where I need to go, but it's not exactly safe. Bacterially. What the freak is that? Oh, the sharks. When it's nighttime, it's hard to tell what's a living thing. No. Go away. Don't come close. You're so annoying. What's this? Is this a giant jellyfish? Maybe I shouldn't swim near it. Cage Gorgon. Whoa! Pretty. Oh, it's just food. Oh, no. Do not come there.
30 seconds.
Ooh, another 4i? Where am I going? Down here. You know what would be absolutely terrible is if I surfaced and there was just a giant like tail coming out of the water. I may want to kill myself if that happened.
Primary habitat detected. It is silent.
Well, no kidding. Not a very good sign, I would think. Old habitat, so not primary. It's so interesting. Alright. Well, let's see what we can find. Oh, a greeting.
One of my species finds this message. You may be the very last human being in the universe.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
You get to write the last chapter of our story. I ask you to do the most human thing you can.
Which
Forget
is?
your debt.
What?
Forget Noah, forget Altera, forget Zazora and the life you imagined. It's all gone now. You're going to die here, and that's all right. Pick the most interesting thing you can see and explore.
Huh. You know what? I don't think that I want to do that. I mean, I do want to do that, but I don't want to do the dying part. Also, this is probably the flooded base that we were hearing so much about. I would like to go inside, see what's in there. No, nothing. Well, it is flooded, so I really shouldn't expect much. I wish I could expect...
Combustion byproducts detected. Fire is a critical risk in oxygen-rich habitats.
I see. Ooh, there is no oxygen in here. Let me go get a quick breather now that I know where the entrance is. And what did you say? Did you say fire was a risk?
30 seconds.
My dear PDA, you do realize that this entire building is underwater, do you not? Short of an explosion, I don't believe we will be suffering any fires anytime soon. And there will be no explosion unless I cause one, which I am liable to do. Oh no, it's scanning heaven. Bloom Quaker. Open to feed. Resonators can destroy them in this state. Sea bloom specimen. Blooms seem very popular around here. Cankers close when they're not hungry. The resonator can't break the shell. Scan biofilms can be cut apart, but the big ones need a resonator, which I need to build. Bloom infestation scanner station filter unlocked. Alright, hold on. I shall return. But first, I require oxygen. I could swim right up, but feels more appropriate to go get oxygen here. Although, maybe a little longer. Alright. I believe from context clues, it seems the bloom cankers are that strange substance that I need a sonic resonator to destroy. Well, it kind of spelled it out for me, but... Dining table. Don't mind if I do. And a lab chair. I need 2 of those. Fancy stuff, I guess.
Dr. Wu's log. Day 755. I think I've cracked it. Sophie and Anita are both right. The protea virus causes Macefield syndrome, but only one kind of protea virus. The
What?
plume strain.
There's more?
Maybe it's tainting Anita's angel comb adaptations. I've tuned the sonic resonators to destroy the viral crystals grown by the plume strain.
Uh-huh.
We should test on the angel combs out west with those promising heat shock proteins. And if I'm wrong, hey, I'm just a dietitian. No one should have woken up a virologist.
Indeed, you do what you can and only what you can. But, that's right, I remember it said there was 2 different types of viruses. So, what, does one grow crystals and the other does not? Oh, and the last piece of the sonic resonator. Exactly what I need. All in the trash can, the next best thing. Habitat builder, I already have. Scan processor. That seems very important. If it has scan on it, I automatically assume it's vital. Use.
Oh, shit!
Huh. So, here we have thing 1 and thing 2 getting absolutely destroyed by things outside their control. You know what? Let's ascend. Whee! Oh, that is so much quicker. Whoa, my goodness! The airtime! Absolutely incredible. Thing 2. Oh, there is something important out there. I do want some of that. But I'm gathering a lot more important data from within. I still have to find the black box, which I assume is up there first. Oh, there's a way inside. Lovely. What could I scan? Is this thing 1? Oh, mantis. Well, about that, you know how I said short of an explosion, there would be no fire? It appears that, there was indeed an explosion.
This biobed was destroyed with a demolition explosive.
Indeed.
The composition is not a licensed fabricator recipe.
And up we go! Woohoo! And down we go. Alright. So, what is that? Oh, is that one of the crabs without the corals? I think it may be. He's a cute little fella. He's stomping to get resources. Welcome home. Thank you. It's not my home, but I guess that didn't say anything important because otherwise I've lost the opportunity to listen to it. What's this? Good stuff? Just trash. Whoa, the current. It is forceful. Oh, I will not go that way. That is the way of sharks. Alright. You know what? Since I can get up so quickly, I'm going to scan this piece of technology and then ascend. Oh, I need 3.
The tadpole sea-space mobility pod. Oxygen, customizable hulls. From the Starfrog worksuit to the scout tray
Whoa!
seafoil. While the tadpole is a valuable air supply, remember that breath holding is a good way to train up your conscientiousness and self-discipline.
Indeed, but what if I don't want to? That is the question that plagues the world. What if I don't want to do that? I don't want to train my discipline. I'm plenty disciplined already. Well, some may say, some may not. Most may not. Let's see what's up here. Shall we? Oh, here's something else to scan. Dining chair. Don't mind if I do. I'm going to wind up taking so many trips at... Oh, no. The worst has happened. I'm out of battery for scanning. Right, hold on. Yeah.
Noah, is there a fire? Noah, Do not open the Seacocks. Noah?
Uh-huh.
Acknowledge, please. I have a mouse trap, Noah, and I'll use it.
What?
Do not...
What the heck is a mousetrap? Is that like a common term for like something to hinder technology? Like a safe plan? Well, we learned nothing new. We learned that there was a fire, and then the Noah, I guess trying to put out the fire, let in all the water in the environment. Fantastic, but I have to say, Miss, you are probably dead, no matter what transpired. Oh, hello, wait, I could use that. Oh, it's a stool. Never mind. You were dead no matter what transpired, because if there's a fire in a small place like this, you will quickly suffocate. In fact, I'm surprised that you didn't survive the, Ow, look at all the guys. I'm surprised you didn't survive the flooding. It's not like that should kill you.
Seek fresh water intake.
Well, I shall. Please consume. There we go. Let's eat our prepared lunchbox. Ooh, full of sweet fluid. A camera, I don't know what that fruit is, but it looks good. It looks radioactive too. I do have a battery. How do I replace? Oh, come on. R, yes. R, please. There we go. May as well get some fresh air before I go down again for the last time. Let's see. What shall we find down here? Probably more bar stools, but it don't matter. The more blueprints I have, the better for me. That's what I say. That's what I believe. There is something to scan. It's a very strange hitbox. Alright. Wrong way. Crap, I'm going to waste my opportunity. It may not be the last time I go down here. Processor? Sure. Oh, this will just give me titanium.
30 seconds.
Yes, I know. Okay, there we go. I have more than enough time. I keep running into things I can scan. Oh, that. I don't want that. Oh, I may not have enough time.
Oxygen.
I may not have enough time. Bring up the emergency ascension device and descend. Whoa! Better rescue that was. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. I'm getting some very valuable items here, such as chairs and tables. And the notion that should a fire begin, it is not best to flood the base. In which case, I'm not sure what sort of action I should take, because battery terminal, yes sir. That's exactly what I need. I need a battery terminal to charge all my batteries. Ain't nothing better.
30 seconds.
Alright. I believe that is all. Aside from that pent, whatever that is. Alright, anything here? No, I don't believe so. What's this? Resonator. Okay, yeah.
Oxygen.
I already have the resonator, so... Ascend! You know, this will cause all kinds of diving sicknesses. I don't really see how it's safe to use, but they say so. Now, let's see. You know what? I'm curious what this thing is. This thing looks very interesting. BFJ! You don't say. Let's tab to view the BFJ and the PDA. I'm not saying that. The behemoth finger-legged jellyfish. Exactly. Or not jelly. Sorry, jelly, not a fish. A massive specimen with no earthly analog. Even the largest terrestrial jellies are anatomically similar, with a gelatinous bell, a central stomach, and tentacles. By contrast, the BFJ, an acronym for behemoth finger-legged jelly, has complex organs and a sophisticated nervous system. Most of the BFJ's volume is occupied by gas bladders, controlled by a net of distributed nerves that automatically regulate buoyancy. Sedimentary BFJs resting on the seafloor flood their gas bladders with seawater. So do some float? The BFJ's eyes are differentiated into small, sharp-focused eyes and large, wide-field arrays. They focus exclusively upward. Fine muscles in the rhoophilia can adjust the eye to focus through different classes of seawater and even air, suggesting the BFJ spends time on the surface of the sea. I want to see that. Unlike the trailing tentacles of most jellies, the BFJ's arms are muscular hydrostrats like squid arms, covered in finely developed sensory hairs. They do not seem to be used for predation. Instead, they seek out chemical resources in the sea floor. Methane-sensing organs are particularly dense on the tips of the arms. The index BFJ scanned by the user seems to be feeding on sunlight, while awaiting an unknown future state in its life cycle. Possibly the seabound state of an airborne organism. Aha! I was correct! They do float. Jellies. What is this? Did I scan this? I don't think I did, but... Oh wait, yes I did. A simple animal closely related to corals, characterized by a symmetrical body and trailing arms, usually grows in the stalked form called the polyp, before detaching into a free-swimming form called the medusa. Ho ho! Some jellies remain stalked their whole lives. Mixed myxotrophs. Most are predatory, but some obtain nutrients from photosynthesis or symbiotic photosynthesizers. Jellies predate the evolution of a nerve cord in the tunics. Some jellies on this world have achieved a size and complexity unknown on Earth, evolutionary origins unknown. They are indeed jellies. Let's not read all of this. Is this stuff? A developed habitat with internal grow beds and burrows for more colonists. Hub ruptured by explosion. Yes. Seahawks open to flood the habitat. Yep. Multiple black boxes on site. Indeed. On-site NOAA node could be reactivated for data retrieval. One habitat module is set up as a hot lab to study viral biology. Powerful scanning station. That's what I want. Spider dome. Coral structure. Sinkhole beneath coral mass. Released an anomalous strain of proteovirus. Grows toward the highest concentration of this virus, obstructing its flow. Maybe that's what that giant mushroom thing is. Coral mass emits virophages, viruses that target and destroy the anomalous virus. What? Further investigation into viral ecology is recommended. Quaker's Meeting House, a remote habitat used as a meeting ground and miscellaneous workspace. Biobed with bodies license violations have disabled the bed's ability to reprint lost colonists. What? License violations. Biobed recorded at times series analysis of the changes in a patient's genetics and gene expression. Records include observations of nearby crab species and conversation with other colonists. Metadata suggests the habitat belonged to chaplain psychiatrist and AI ethicist Lucretia Quaker Kapoor. Ah, yes, my ultimate enemy. Beacon. Yeah, Woogies warning map, construction, habitat tool, pick up to carry. The Do model radio acoustic beacon is a classic, robust navigational aid for pioneers. Indeed, the beacon broadcasts a VHF signal above water and acoustic pulse when submerged. Builder tool to mark point. Oh, with builders. Oh, that is very nice. I don't have to make them beforehand. Initial buoyancy. All right, 6 degrees of precision. Very nice. Now let's see about this windmaker. This is what I want. Equip quick access tool belt. Activate only when selected. Extended arms into movement positions. Replace battery when discharged. A personal diver propulsion vehicle for long distance transit outside a submarine without constant finning. The arm mounted form factor improves maneuverability in tight spaces and prevents pioneers from losing the DPV during stressful situations. Not fully hands-free, but allows inventory management, item pickup, and routine touching/scanning. Do not throttle the Wakemaker until your hands are fully extended in the movement position. Allegations that the Wakemaker is wrist-mounted so that it can steer our expired colonists back to biobeds for recycling are ghoulish and false. They are not. User experiences remain the design team's North Star. And the sonic resonator, which has one... Whoa, alright. Quick access toolbox, aim at targets such as resonance deposit or attacking predators. This is very important. And to press trigger to charge a sonic pulse. Release to emit pulse against solid crystalline objects. Release the pulse when the reticle closes to shatter. Seems rather dangerous. Valid targets trigger an icon at your HUD, prompting you to equip and use the resonator. Common targets include large resource deposits, so that's how you do it, and viral crystals. This is not an improved Altera product. The PDA cannot offer guarantees of performance or safety. Replace battery when depleted. The sonic resonator is a modified propulsion repulsion cannon chassis carrying a phased array sonar. The sonar's electronic and mechanical principles are simple and easily fabricated, but distinct from any known design pattern. Either the sonar was invented from first principles by a particularly brilliant colonist, or was derived from non-human technology. I can see either being the case, probably the latter. The resonator is generally non-lethal. Its pulse may deter attackers, but will not cause long-term harm unless the attacker is a solid crystalline object. The exception is biomass infected by bloom virus, which the resonator is tuned to destroy. Speculative development suggests several possible improvements to this device, perhaps culminating in a Saser, an acoustic laser. Do not discharge toward as a cost of the colonists. Hearing protection recommended for prolonged use. I would assume so. Ooh, there's a... Well, now that I'm already out here, let's see what we can find. Or actually, you know what? Let's not. Because I want to make the propulsion thing. What? Oh, I only have one of two. Man, I was so excited for a second there. Let's see. Still don't have fins. Still need fiber for that. Don't really need this thing. Especially not with all that. I don't think I've ever found lead yet. Wake maker. We need silver, which I have. Wiring kit, which I can make. A grease. I can make all of that. Let's go do it. I'm going the wrong way. Why not take a small detour, though? Have a little look-see, you know? Ah, how lovely and peaceful this is. Maybe some lead down here, perhaps? Not titanium. There is way too much titanium around here. What, is that a 4-rise I hear? Certainly sounds like it. What is that? Oh no! Go away!
30 seconds.
Oh my goodness. These guys are the most annoying thing in the game. And I don't have a flare. But I do have a current! Wait on, let me play this first. Oh, this looks like important stuff. Give me this. I don't know what it is.
Here. Hey, what day is it? Day 758. Habitat's gone. We've got no fabricator, no biobeds, and no way to build more. We are on our last life. It's me, Ruby. Stay close, Hera. Raster, Tuba, Sean, Graham, Rowboat, and Mogami's kids. And Twinkle. Finally outside. What a way to get your feet wet, huh? We're striking out for the tadpole pens.
30 seconds.
Maybe the Noah there will let us in. And if not, we'll take the submarines and look for a nearest
Oh wait,
crew.
no, let's not go this way.
Find this. Swim southeast along the edge of the coral garden. I'll drop another log at the pens.
So I guess that way. Yeah, that looks like it. Did he say he had...
You are being hunted.
Why did you say that? I did not need to know that. I did not need to know that at all. You are very mean, PDA. You are incredibly mean.
Contact. Abandoned colony structure partially disassembled.
I don't really care, to be honest. I'm trying to... Oh, no, that didn't do what I wanted it to do. I'm trying to survive right now. Okay? I'm trying to not die by being hunted by a rather large predatory life form. Maybe heading toward this will help me. Oh, there's another one. Alright. I seem to have escaped. That is good. What are those? Oh, they're so good looking. I like them actually. But they look very scary. Alright. So, what have we learned today? Ladies and gentlemen, we have learned that I need a propulsion system and fins. Because otherwise, I will die. Speaking of needing things, I need water. Give me some slugs. There we go. Up, up. Unfortunate that they must die to sustain me, but it is what it is. It's survival of the fittest, after all. Alright, so now we have more places to take a look. Unfortunately, they are rather dangerous. Alright. Let's see. Hopefully I can manage to get me some water before I run out of power. Ooh, very nice. Sugar of Saturn. That does sound fancy. Alright. What else can I make? Power cell. Very interesting. I need grease. I think I already have grease, actually. Let me not make anything I don't need to. So I need... I do not have grease. Well, that can be arranged. Give me one of those. Then I need a wiring kit, which is probably the most expensive portion. Oh, never mind. I already have it. Oh, and I can make system chip. Microcontroller, huh? Fascinating. But what's more fascinating is my ability to make a wake maker. That's a little difficult to say. Give it to me.
Quaker is a marine adaptation of the Space Raker EVA thrust pistol system.
What?
Travelers should be careful to rest their wrist, elbows, and shoulders during prolonged use.
Oh my goodness. And it has a flashlight. This is going to be my favorite. And we will play around with this so much more in the next episode because it is time for me to leave now. Thank you very much for watching. And I will see you next time, whenever that may be. So long!